Welcome to Tina's Tips. Today we're going to talk about something that no one wants to talk about, the junior paper, right? But it's okay, because this resource that I'm about to show you should make it very easy for you to successfully write an argumentative paper, regardless if it's a junior paper or if it's just an essay that your teacher assigns or if it's something related to what you need to do to get into college. So let's talk about this source. I'm actually going to walk you through using this source. This is a free source that if you're a CMS student, it's not even a problem to use. So don't forget that I represent Upward Bound, and you're looking at Tina's Tips. So we're going to talk about scholarly articles and the MLA format, right? So first of all, if you are looking for resources that you know are valid resources, because you know anybody can put anything on the internet, then you need to use this process right here. Go ahead and take a picture. I'm going to change my screen. So just if you need all these steps, because I'm going to actually talk you through the steps, then this is what you refer back to, right? Okay, so let me stop share for a minute. So the library is a really good resource for you to use. I mean, not only do they have tutoring and other things, they have these resources. So what you do is you type in CM Library in your search, not a big deal, and you can click resources. I'm actually just going to click the Charlotte Mecklenburg Library, and it also makes a picture that says resources. So let me go down here and click resources. Now, once I click resources, there's so many different resources down here that they have. Hold on, let me get there. The A to Z list. And I mean, there's some that college students use, scientists, depending on what you're writing, you can probably find what you're looking for here. I'm kind of focused on the argumentative junior paper. So I'm going to go down here to the SIRS. See right here, there's two different SIRS, but SIRS Issue Researcher or SIRS Knowledge Source. So you're just going to click Access Now. Now what's going to happen is your screen's going to pop up. You're going to put a student ID in, right? And that way they can save whatever information that you need to your name. You know, if you need to check out books, those kind of things. That's what CM your student ID does for you at the library. You can order books online, those kind of things. So this right here, the SIRS Issue Researcher, what it does is it takes the top 10 trending topics, they post them up here for you, and like if you know what topic you're looking for, then you can go ahead and just type it in this bar and it'll show it to you, right? But if you're thinking about like, okay, virtual classrooms, you wanted to write about that, right? So when you click the button, it gives you a little summary, and then what it does, which is really amazing, it gives you the two sides, because you know it's an argumentative paper, so you're arguing on two sides, right? So you can pick the side that says online classes provide students with a variety of experiences not found in traditional classrooms, which means you're for virtual learning, or you're against it. Online learning cannot replace the experience of real-time instruction in the traditional classroom. Whichever one you pick, they already have resources that are ready to go for you. So, and everything on here is legit. Like they've gone and verified the sources. So let's say I just click this article right here on this particular topic. So it gives me a little summary so I can find out if I'm interested up front. Then it gives me the actual text of the article. And then most importantly, it does the citation for me. You know that if you're doing the junior paper, you're required to have at least 5 resources, and this right here is already done for you. So you wouldn't have to figure out how to do the MLA format, because that's what your paper is supposed to be in. So this resource can be very good for you if you're trying to figure out your topic, and you're not sure, or if you just want to search a topic you already have decided that you wanted to do. One other thing that I wanted to tell you about this was that if you decide to pick up a site, use a website that's not through that resource I just showed you, then you are going to have to use citation. You are going to have to you, of course, no matter what, you're going to have to do internal citation, which means that you're going to have to put that information in the paragraph, whatever line, you have to have some kind of internal citation next to it. And then you're going to have your works cited page, right? So this slide right here, you might want to take a picture with your phone, basically gives you 3 resources that you can just drop like your web link in there and follow it, and it will put it in the format that you need to put on your works cited page. But the best resource for citation right here is this AlPurdue. It will cite things for you, but it also has examples of papers and answers any question that you may have about writing a research paper. I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, reach out to us at Upward Bound, and thank you for watching Tina's Tips.